Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by checking account health and removing immediate triggers. Open TikTok, go to Settings, then Privacy and Safety. Inspect reported violations and copyright notices. Once done, review recent posts for banned hashtags or spammy text and delete or edit offending videos. Make sure the app is the latest version so algorithm signals aren't affected. Also disconnect any automation services. TikTok flags bot-like behavior quickly, so removing them reduces further risk and begins the recovery process. Next, reset content signals by publishing clean, intentional posts to retrain the algorithm. Post one short original video focusing on quality, clear audio, good lighting, concise caption, avoid recycled or spammy clips. Once posted, use 1 to 2 relevant and allowed hashtags only and do not mass tag. Then engage. Reply to authentic comments, follow creators in your niche, and like content manually. These activities show human interaction, making TikTok reevaluate distribution and gradually restore reach if you stay consistent. Finally, monitor recovery over 1 to 2 weeks and troubleshoot if needed. Check analytics daily for steady improvements in views and engagement percentage. Minor fluctuations are normal, but trends matter. If no progress after 10-14 days, use Settings Report a problem to file an appeal, clearly state actions taken, and request review. Make sure to document removed content and disabled apps. If issues persist, consider archiving problematic posts, rebranding content strategy, or creating a fresh account while exporting audience links.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.